Hello guys, as you can see, I'm still very much on the chart, and you can see price has created levels. You can see that price has created a high this morning. So there's something like a lower low here, a higher low here. Here. So I wouldn't take this because price has not actually created any push. So I'll hold on to this one, but already we've gotten a low and a high. Only when price pushes above here that we consider this a higher high, and that push above it is a clear sentiment that we are going to buy this market. But where there is news by 1:30, we'll wait for that news to be released. But there's still something I wanted to show. If we go down to the 4 hours time frame, you see that price has actually tapped off a level which it has broken previously, and I expect price to come back down to test that low for the second time, and if rejected, it will be pushed up aggressively. But before we can confirm that, the 1 hour will have to show us that there is a sentiment for buy. So which means if you see a break above this high here, that sentiment has given us that yes, buyers are interested to push this market up. But for now, we wait to see if price will push above this high which it has created during Asian section. If it does, then we have to wait for a retracement. Mind you, the retracement can be a long week, a long sell candle that will push all the way down. If rejected, then the buy will come and start aggressively. So for now, we wait to see what price will do during New York, during London rather. And today is Friday. We have an important news coming up by 1:30. I would have loved to continue. I'll cut this video here. Then when the news comes up, we can now add and see what price would have done and what we are expecting to do during the news release in the afternoon by 1:30. But for now, let's watch and see what price will do. This is just 8:24. Let's see what happens around 9. And most of the time, I like waiting around 9 because 9 o'clock gives a clear picture of what London is about to do, leading us all the way down to New York. So let us wait and see this 8:24. Let's see by 9 what price will do. You can see I'm waiting to see maybe price will break above that line. That's that one gives me a clear sense of direction that we are going to buy. We are going to buy the news in the afternoon. So let's keep our fingers crossed and watch. Okay? I'm watching, I'm watching, I'm watching. So guys, you can see what price is doing actually. Prices, you can see a sharp break. So we are still waiting for that candle to close above that level. Let's go back to the 1 hour time frame. You can see what price is doing. So we want price to go to break and close above that level. People can see what price is doing. so we can see what price is doing, but we'll wait until it's 9 o'clock. We want to see that candle close bullish. So that candle closing bullish is a sentiment for us to do what? To go long. So after that push, we have to wait for price to come back to us. And mind you, anytime you see a breakout candle that is too long, we don't enter at that candle. We wait for price to retrace back. Price could do a very deep retracement before continuing the intending to going continue back to its intended direction. So I'm still watching for price to see how that candle will close. Then I'll know my next reaction. So if this candle closes bearish, then our position for an entry, either I'll take my entry off this point here, or I will now wait for a deep retracement down to the low where the whole push started at 1.8500 psychological level. So we just have to wait. We could get, during the news release, we could get a strong retracement. The retracement we are looking for might come during when the news is released. Then we'll continue to buy. So let's keep watching and watching. All right, guys. I'm at 15 minutes time frame. Right now, looking for an entry to buy, because at 15 minutes time frame, price has clearly broken that high. So I'm considering buying from the low at the center, this one, or here, depending on what price does. But for now, I am waiting to see if I will get any form of rejection. I might end up using a stop loss of about 30 pips, because there's going to be a news coming in the afternoon. I don't know if I'll be available to trade during New York. So I'll keep my stop loss a little bit further below that zone. So if only if price breaks below this zone, then I'll know that we are going to continue selling. So hitting my stop loss will be an option for price, then I'm fine, because I'm going to risk only 1% of my account. So let me quickly do my risk management calculation. So you see, I'll go to my position size calculator, my account balance, risking 1%. I'm doing a 30 pips stop. I'm trading GBPUSD. 30 pips stop. GBPUSD. Let's calculate and see. So I'm only doing 0.33. 0.3355. So this very low side 0.3355, I'm going to divide it by 3. 335. I'll divide it by 3. So I'm having 0.111. That's my 3 entries. So I'll now go back to my chart and I'll see exactly what price is doing. Okay. So right now price is still moving around. I'll take my first entry. I'll do buy. And I'll take one more 0.1 buy. And I'll set my stop loss. What is my stop loss? Entered from there. My stop loss should be this. Ah, so I'm longing from here. I'm doing a 30 pip stop. Thirty pip stop, and I'm targeting times 2. 1.28. One point two eight three 306. One point two eight 306. Okay, these are my 2 entries. Yes, I told you now. It wants to buy. I told you that it will see our level. Low, high, see a low. Price broke out. Coming to test it. I see what I'm coming to test it and see what price is doing. Can you see what price is doing? price has created another high here, but that is for, so we are waiting, see what price is doing, see what we want to do. Very long.
Daddy, Daddy, you know for this now. Come and carry plate downstairs. Let's just start washing. You don't be again. You carry plate downstairs. I don't know.
2831,
Oh, yeah.
28314, 28314. Okay. You can see my two entries, guys, already on profits. So I'll hold this and wait for price to break more levels. Then if it keeps breaking more highs, then I'll know that I'm going to hold and I'll add more positions. Okay, guys, I might not be around to follow the news during New Year section, so I want to use my buy limit order, buy limit order, so I could I'll have a buy limit here. I have three. I have one limit here. I'll set my stop here. Okay. And I'll do one more buy here. All maintaining the same stop loss. Okay guys, I have my buy limit order up list. So I'll wait and see if it will be triggered. Notwithstanding, I am safe, risking only 1% of my capital. So if I'm going to lose, I'm going to lose like $100 out of this. So winning, I'm going to win probably targeting um 1:2. That is 200. Okay, so guys, later let's see what the market holds for us.
Yeah.